Comma index in Python list bracket. Example is below. What is this? A comma is in the Python list bracket. How can I understand this? ID xeij equals ID xiaj shows true. So xeij is always same at xij, or xij is actually same as xij. Index is tuple. Equals. I guess. This is number py's special implementation. Number py overwrites item function for using tuple index. I tried it for 1. Basic Python. 2. Overwrite 3. Basic number py. 1. Shows error. Type error. List indices must be integers or slices, not tuple. 2. Has no problem if I implemented right. 3. Just works well. So, I guess number py developers did implemented their getItem function for tuple, and it works same arr x y z equals arr x y z.
While number py behaves the same way with the two, they are technically different. You can see the difference by implementing __getItem__ yourself. Then notice that x, 1, 2 only calls __getItem__ once, but x, 1, 2 calls it twice.
This is number py special ability. NumPy official docs. Unlike lists and tuples, number py arrays support multidimensional indexing for multidimensional arrays. That means that it is not necessary to separate each dimension's index into its own set of square brackets.
And this is the